Hello guys, welcome to another video. In today's video we have the Realme Note 50, which is pattern locked. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you guys can remove pattern or password and also the FRP lock from your Realme Note 50 in case you guys have forgotten your pattern or password. For that, first you guys have to power off your phone. Then you guys have to go to your PC and open unlock tool. Here in the unlock tool, go to the Oppo section as the Realme phones has been placed in this category. Tap on the Oppo. Here in the search bar, search for Note 50. Then here tap on Note 50 and we have the pattern set up on this phone, so you guys have to select the factory reset option and after that wait for a few seconds. When the waiting for device message pops up, you guys have to press both the volume keys of your phone and then connect your phone with the PC. As you guys connect your phone, the unlock tool will start the process of erasing your data as well as the FRP lock from your phone. It will take about a minute. And as you guys can see that the user data and FRP both has been removed. Now you guys can disconnect your phone from the PC and wait for the phone to boot up. The phone will take some time on the screen, so you guys have to wait for it. Your phone will stay on the screen for a while. I have fast forwarded this video to save you guys some time. And then your phone finally turns on. Then tap on the arrow, move forward, set up your phone, and after completing this setup you guys will be able to use your phone again, while the pattern and the FRP lock now from your Realme Note 50 has been removed. Thanks for watching.